It goes in our name. It's called BQPhy. So boson part of it actually is boson in itself. It's a quantum particle which was named after the great Indian physicist Dr. Satyendranath Bose, and hence the name of us reflects that Indian heritage. The Q for quantum and the psi, which is the fundamental quantity in quantum mechanics. Together, the name means that we, with our Indian heritage, want to make a fundamental difference in the global quantum computing ecosystem.
इस बार इंडियन साइंस कांग्रेस की थीम भी एक ऐसा विषय है जिसकी दुनिया में सबसे ज्यादा चर्चा हो रही है। विश्व का भविष्य सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट के साथ ही सुरक्षित है, तो इससे एक अहम संदेश जाता है। ये बात युवाओं को बहुत प्रभावित करती है। वो सोचते हैं कि साइंस के जरिए वो पूरी दुनिया को प्रभावित कर सकते हैं। ऐसे युवाओं को आगे बढ़ाने के लिए इंस्टीट्यूशनल फ्रेमवर्क की आवश्यकता होती है।
The world's first quantum-powered simulation suit by number Bengalurians. BQP, with its flagship quantum-powered simulation suite, BQPhy, enables complex engineering simulations through novel engineering solvers which utilize BQP's proprietary quantum algorithms. It will enable enterprise clients to perform complex simulations for high-end industry applications across automotive, aerospace, energy, manufacturing energy, biotech, among others. BQP has seen major growth last year and is expected to continue its growth momentum in 2023. Headquartered in Bangalore, since its founding in late 2020, BQP is planning to expand its footprints by setting up offices in the US as well as offices in the UK in the coming year.
So BQPhy is a quantum computing software startup that started in 2020 from India. So what basically we do is, let me take a simple example of a shampoo bottle. Everybody uses a shampoo bottle. The last part that you try to squeeze out is always the irritating part. So the designers of that bottle utilize a tool called as a simulation software to better design the bottle. This is the same tool which is also utilized by aerospace engineers, automotive engineers, biotech engineers to design their product. It's just when you go to those scales, it takes humongous amount of time to do these calculations on even big supercomputers. To give you a reference, I was working on this problem of understanding the airflow behind the tail of an aircraft and using a major supercomputer in US National Computing Lab to do that. And I was using about 200,000 cores to do that simulation, and it took about 6 months to finish that. So basically what we are doing at BQPhy is designing a simulation tool or the software which can take that same simulation but do that instead of in 6 months, maybe in 6 minutes eventually. That's the vision that we are working for. So we design our own quantum algorithms, we design our own engineering solvers from scratch, and then basically make it a software that the end users can use. So end users meaning the simulation engineers in automotive, aerospace, biotech companies, oil and gas, pharma, construction, different sectors. And basically we can serve not many customers with this. The technology behind that is rapidly scaling, and we want to go even beyond engineering simulations to do simulations in, let's say, logistics, supply chain, finance, and other areas in that regards.
So how different are you guys from other companies? Because we do have a lot of stuff. We do have companies like kind of work. How different you guys?
So basically, from a traditional simulation point of view, we are the first ones in the world to add quantum computing into a simulation software. If you see from a quantum software startup point of view, we are the first product-based company which is coming out with a product which can deliver such kind of niche area in the quantum world to do this. And we are over cloud, so that also makes us differentiator in the fact from a traditional simulation software company.
So do you have a lot of other competitors?
Actually, we have very few competitors. We are the first players to start this whole technology in basically quantum computing, doing engineering simulations, globally speaking. Now we are starting to see some companies popping up in UK, in Europe, in US, but the numbers are small. Yet the startups are growing, and we would love more startups to come into this space because it's a big area to serve, and boson physics alone cannot serve all these specific specializations and areas. So that's where we encourage people to come into this area.